Samsung is preparing to release a new budget smartphone, the Galaxy A08 4G. The new device has appeared in the U.S. Federal Communications Commission (FCC) database, revealing some of its specifications. The new mid-range smartphone from Samsung has quite good characteristics. Leaked information reveals impressive specifications of the Samsung Galaxy A08, including the Helio G99 chip, 8 GB of RAM, and a 6000 mAh battery. The budget Samsung Galaxy A08 smartphone has appeared on the Google Play console. Welcome to Science and Knowledge, and if you are new here, please consider subscribing and press the bell icon as well to get the latest updates for our future videos. Samsung is preparing to add the Galaxy A08 smartphone, model number SM-A085F, to its budget lineup. Information from reputable databases such as Google Play Console, FCC, Wi-Fi Alliance and BIS indicates significantly improved hardware specifications compared to previous generations. Unlike the modest performance often found in budget devices, the Samsung Galaxy A08 is equipped with a MediaTek Helio G99 processor and a Mali G57 GPU. This processor is highly regarded for its ability to balance performance and power consumption. Notably, the device's RAM has been increased to 8 GB. This large cache helps the device smoothly handle everyday tasks, improves multitasking capabilities, and minimizes lag or app reloading during continuous operation. The new mid-range smartphone from Samsung has quite good characteristics. In terms of display capabilities, the Galaxy A08 maintains a minimalist design with a water drop notch and HD+ resolution, 720 by 1600 pixels. On the back, the device features a neatly positioned dual-camera system, catering to basic photography needs. Additionally, according to leaked information, this smartphone model will come pre-installed with the Android 17 operating system. Equipped with the latest software, it optimizes performance, enhances security, and guarantees long-term support from Google. According to Federal Communications Commission (FCC) documents, the Galaxy A08's rated battery capacity is 5830 mAh, but it will likely be listed as 6000 mAh for commercial purposes. This capacity provides up to 2 days of battery life with typical usage. To optimize charging time for the large battery, Samsung uses standard 25-watt wired fast charging technology. According to Wi-Fi Alliance and BIS certifications, the dual SIM version with model number SM-A085F-DS has entered the final testing stage. Analysts predict an official release for this model around August 2026. For more tech news and updates, please stay tuned. For our future videos, please consider subscribing and press the bell icon as well.